I got lucky on this one. Lawnmower sat up for 2 or 3 or 4 months for winter time, and I came out to start it today. And luckily, around the 10th or 15th try, it started. But I'm gonna tell you right now, the fix is not a hard one, and you can do it yourself. In fact, I got another video on it somewhere. But I took off the air filter just because I think I did flood the lawnmower. But there are videos that are out there that show you how to clean this little carburetor jet. It's a little brass fitting. It's super easy to do. And the idea is that you can do it yourself probably about 20 or 30 minutes. Whenever you do a little jet clean out, make sure you turn your fuel switch on or off. If you don't have one, you can clamp it off. And the reason you want to do that is so that you don't have just all this gasoline just come out and ruin the environment or your shoes or whatever you hold important. And I did take my air cleaner off and I banged it on the ground. Maybe I'll show a video on that pretty soon. But the way you just heard it, boom, 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 you know, it has a little bit of old gas in there. It's not ideal. And you do not need to take it to the lawnmower shop. It's real simple. I hope this video has helped. If you can, give me a thumbs up, make a comment, say what you liked about the video, what you hated. Appreciate it.